Welcome back, everybody. All right. So what happens if we want to make this image a link? Well, right now it's not a link, but we can make it a link. And watch this. This is actually quite cool. So, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and shorten this for a bit. And if we look at here, we have our ahref, and that's our link right here. We also have our image source right here. Okay. There's actually a really simple thing that we can do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, first of all, cut this by pushing Control or Command X. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go delete that. I'm going to push the A tag right at the end of the image tag. Okay? So let's put this back here. And there we go. It works out pretty well. All right, and you can just push space to go back, because every time you make an adjustment in JSBid here, what ends up happening is it refreshes. Okay, so let's take a look at this here, and we'll talk a little bit about it. So we have our ahref, which is our link. We have our image, and we just put the end tag after the image. It's just that simple. Okay. Now you'll notice something a little bit different about this image tag, which I didn't talk about in the last tutorial. Just take a quick look. And you'll notice that there is no end tag for the image. And the image tag is one of those tags where it doesn't have an end tag to it. So some of them don't have them, but most of them do, alright? So that's how you add a link to an image. And by the way, if you ever need to edit HTML, you can go ahead and do this anywhere. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.